Hi, and welcome to Food and Magic. Wraps are trending a lot nowadays, and if they are made with wheat flour and are loaded with salad and vegetables, they're quite a healthy choice to binge on. So, in today's video, you will see 4 different ways of making these wraps, out of which one wrap can be called as a dessert wrap, as it can be served with ice cream and honey. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes, and without further ado, let's get started. Here I have rolled out 4 rotis of wheat flour. Let's roast them lightly. The fresh rotis are always the best choice. Besides being a healthier option, these rotis help to fold a perfect and tight wrap as they do not tear easily. You can also use the leftover rotis to make these wraps. But before making the wraps, just heat them a little bit. And here all the 4 rotis are roasted and these are very soft. Let's prepare the first wrap, in which I will use the fresh vegetable that I have cooked this morning. This is the perfect way to make your kids eat the daily vegetables. Here I will cut it in the center. You can use a knife or a pizza cutter and apply a little bit of mayonnaise, little bit of tomato ketchup, and here I am adding the cabbage sabzi, which is freshly cooked. Any leftover vegetable too can be used. Add in some french fries for the crunch. This is the best way to make your kids eat all the vegetables made at home. Now I am adding in some mozzarella cheese and some pieces of a cheese slice. Place some thinly sliced cucumber and some carrot juliennes. Isn't this so easy? Just wrap it up and heat this wrap in butter for the extra flavor and crispiness. Here I have heated 1 teaspoon of butter. Just place the wrap and shallow fry it for a minute on each side. You can use any vegetable of your choice in this wrap and it is ready to serve. Remove in a plate and it's done. Absolutely healthy and delicious. The next wrap is made with corn nuggets. You can use any snack of your choice. Here I have already made a cut in the roti and I am adding in some mustard sauce. Here we'll add some sweet chili sauce. These are corn nuggets. Just press them down a little bit so that it is easy to fold a wrap. You can use any tikki also. Place a slice of tomato and add lots of mayonnaise, some carrot juliennes and some thinly sliced cucumber. Add in some onions, and here I am sprinkling mozzarella cheese. You can use processed cheese as well or cheddar cheese. Add in a dash of salt and just wrap it up. Here I have heated 1 teaspoon of butter. Just shallow fry for a minute on each side. Flip it over. You can make a wrap with samosa too or use chicken nuggets. And it is done. This tastes awesome. Do try it out. I'm sure you will love it. The next recipe is of french fries served with salad. Take a roti and add mayonnaise. Here I am putting some cucumber slices on top of the mayonnaise. Add some iceberg lettuce. You can skip it if you do not have the iceberg lettuce. Place the french fries and add in some tomato ketchup. Here I am sprinkling the peri masala, which I have already shown in the sizzler video. The link you can find in the description box given below. Here I have added some mustard sauce and now I am placing some slices of onion. Add lots of carrot juliennes and sprinkle peri masala all over for the extra zing. Just wrap it up and let shallow fry this for a minute on each side. Here I have heated 1 teaspoon of butter. Isn't this a healthier option to eat the French fries? Your kids will love it, and one wrap is quite filling. You just can't say no to this wrap. It tastes yummy. The next wrap is a dessert wrap. It is served with honey, ice cream and fresh bananas. Here I've taken a dollop of peanut butter, spread it well on half of the roti. On the second half of the roti, I will spread a generous amount of Nutella. This wrap is my favorite. Do try out all the wraps, they taste awesome. I had tasted this wrap when I had gone to Thailand. It was called as the chocolate banana crepe. Believe me, it tastes divine. Spread some almond slices. And slice the banana on 1/4 part of the roti. Just wrap it up and shallow fry in salted butter for the extra taste. Here I've taken half a teaspoon of butter. Place the wrap and fry on each side for just a minute. And it is ready to serve. Drizzle a teaspoon of honey and add a dollop of your favorite ice cream and just binge in. This wrap tastes awesome. I'm sure you'll love it. So friends, if you like my video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes. Thank you for watching.